stalling yesterday, did push a little bit, but at least losing momentum on the bear side. If the bear's losing momentum, the bulls can take control by closing back above the halfway mark of that black candle. That'll give us a nice morning start. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 20 June 2024. Today I will be trading long Swiss franc, Aussie and the US dollar, and shorten the euro, the yen and the New Zealand. Let's start over the dollar index. Well, as expected, very sideways yesterday with the holidays in the US. Still not that much news today, tomorrow a lot, but let's hope we can get some direction before the close of this week. But not much to say yet different than what I said yesterday morning. I still have dollar strength here. I still have dollar strength on the medium and long term. Short term, just holding by a thread. A day or two of this, and this will turn blue also. So I have to stay dollar bullish for the day. Gold surprisingly going up on a strong dollar, forming a little double bottom here. And that daily close above that would get me to go long a little bit. And then on the breakout, a little bit on the flag pattern. Then the retest and the counter reversal, I will then add again. So it will be a three-phase kind of scenario for me on gold. Target should be up on those highs. It should reach this levels, 23.85. That's one of the short-term targets we can use. But ultimately, a pattern like this target should be that high. And that should be 24.50 again. So let's hope there for the best. Bitcoin dailies stalling yesterday, did push a little bit, but at least losing momentum on the bear side. If the bear's losing momentum, the bulls can take control by closing back above the halfway mark of that black candle. And that'll give us a nice morning start. So that'll be definitely very positive. However, that's still bearish. I'm still worried about this. I'm still not that keen. We've got this falling trend line, which I can use. A close above that could be an indication of okay, things are turning back bullish again, but at this stage, I'm worried about that part there. Another one within this range that worries me a little bit. But all right, let's see if we can get a nice bottom candle reversal here. Pound Swiss gave this one to you yesterday morning. Tested the level nicely to the T. Come back down, close below the halfway mark of the white candle, which is a dark cloud cover. You also had the opportunity to short the halfway mark of that body. So that gives you a very nice risk reward on the end. But your risk should be here about 40 to 50 pips. And down to these lows, it's not good enough for any form of targets. So we'll have to use the Fibonacci's on the swing here from that low to that high. And then we will start to look at the 1.27 and 1.618. Those should be the target levels which we're going to use. If we go back into the history, you'll see that there is some levels coming in there, some support resistance, so not bad at all. Using those two as your final targets on the trade. So let's hope there for the best. Pound, neutral, and Swiss franc, all the sparkles. I want to be short here, and I got it, and let's hope for the best. In the cat, Swiss, cat, neutral, Swiss, all the sparkle. I would like to see a retracement back to those levels. I want to be short, but not at these levels here. I don't want to be short at the support level. I want to see a retracement, a retest, then a counter reversal that the bears can prove themselves before I will take some shorts. Euro US busy forming a nice head and shoulders. We got the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, now breaking the neckline from here to there, now breaking the neckline. So that should be good. A retest and a counter reversal should be good. Euro red zone, dollar green zone, so definitely something I want to be short. Stop loss would be up on those highs there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasso. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Swiss yen, Swiss green zone, all the sparkle, yen bottom of the pile, and now I would love to see a retracement before I will go long. I will not go long on a flimsy breakout like that. I would like to see a retracement back to the structure here before I will consider any long positions. US Swiss, dollar strong, Swiss also strong, but the dollar in comparison with the Swiss is weaker, so I would like to be short here, but not at these levels. I want this to retrace to the 50% level, right at structure there. When I get a counter reversal there, I'll definitely consider some shorts. Pound Australian dollar, Nice swing down the page. I need a retracement back to structure here between 50 and 61%. Once it gets there, I would like to see a candle reversal. Pound neutral, but Aussie very strong. By shorting the pound Aussie, that'll give me the long on the Aussie that I'm looking for. In New Zealand Swiss, big swing down the page. New Zealand red zone, Swiss green zone. So I want to be short, but definitely not at this area here. I'm going to need a decent retracement. Decent retracement to retest before any levels makes any sense. So if I can get a retracement, most likely not going to happen today, but possible for tomorrow. I like to leave these on my watch list in case it gets there. Candle reversal, I'll then only consider some shorts. US yen, nice swing after this consolidation period. We had a break and a retest, dabbling it around a little bit, but right now we want to see a retest before we can do anything. Dollar strong, yen weak, so I would definitely like to see a retracement. Mentorship program got a nice long on this hammer candle here, but that's a different strategy. So a retest here on a candle reversal, that'll get me to consider longs yet again. New Zealand yen, nice run up the page, still in this consolidation period. Trend just turned bullish. New Zealand red zone, yen red zone, yes, but New Zealand in comparison with the yen is still much stronger, so I would like to be long here on the New Zealand yen, giving me that short that I'm actually after. But I'm going to need this to test, give me a strong candle reversal, and then I'll consider some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description also. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey, and remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.